Hey everybody, how's it going? Y'all, I got a Dollar Tree haul for you. And yeah, first of all, y'all tell me if you like Dollar Tree hauls. If you like to see what I got, comment that you do. Hope everybody's doing great. And y'all, I see one thing I got for the kitchen, but that's not for a project. How's it going? Be sure to sprinkle with anybody that likes Dollar Tree hauls. Anyway, and as we're going through this stuff, I want y'all to help me pick my next project. I got some fun stuff. And y'all, I found the cutest thing. I'm looking around like, where am I going to put this once I show y'all? Look, they've had these forever. These little metal buckets. But I got an idea for this. And look, they only had one of these. But I got it. It's a metal. It's a galvanized metal mason jar. So we got some metal going on. Say, thanks for sprinkling. Yeah, y'all always let me know if you sprinkle. And hey, I got something I've never seen before. These are 1/2-inch dowels. I've always seen the smaller ones, but I was like, oh, I love that size. You know, usually they're really small and skinny. And we'll go ahead and take these out. These are for the kitchen. We're not doing anything with those. Thank you guys for sprinkling. And I also, because we're all patriotic, I got some red, white, and blue flowers. Aren't those pretty? And now look, while I was hunting and gathering, somebody said they wish that theirs carried those. Look, y'all, we only had one, so I don't know if we carry them or not. Oh, those dowels, that was totally new. And Susan said they're building a new Dollar Tree near her. But y'all, look at these. Aren't they pretty? Now, this says it's a lilac, but I mean, y'all, that's blue, isn't it? Red, white, and blue. Can y'all tell what kind of theme I got going on? And look, they only had 2 of these. This is a scarf. But I was like, I could totally use that on some kind of project. In fact, tell me what y'all would do with this scarf. What would you do with this? I love to hear y'all's ideas too. So if you see something, shout out an idea. I love the color of red. I think it's so pretty. Sue, this is so cool. But tell me how y'all would use it. And y'all, I kind of want to grunge this up. But they had a cute, this is like a really, I've never seen them have a flag this big. Have y'all? Anyway, it feels like it's polyester. It doesn't really say what it is. But look how big that is. Isn't that cool? That would look so good right here on my fake truck, wouldn't it? A table runner, good idea. You could Mod Podge it, Sue, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking I could probably cut those stars out and Mod Podge them. Or, you know, do something like that. Okay. And I have never seen these either. These are metal. And, you know, I'm always looking for something to elevate something. They only had 2 sizes. They had this size, which is, I don't know how big it is. But anyway, they had this taller one. And y'all, tell me this. I always buy like 3 of something. Put it through a wreath. Dottie, I thought about that. Are you talking about the scarf? I always buy 3 things. I don't know why, but I do. And y'all, this is a toy. It looks like this on this side, but it looks like that on that side. Now, y'all, I'm thinking about painting this. It's a squishy toy. It's a toy. But I love it so much because y'all know that I love watermelons. So, I'm thinking about painting the whole thing. What do y'all think? Would y'all paint it or leave it as is? I got 3 of these. Because y'all know I love watermelons. Cut the stars out and put it on a picture or a t-shirt. Yes. Now listen, what would y'all do with these? Yes, somebody said that matches the fireworks. It matches all of this is like totally patriotic. I think I see some of y'all saying paint the watermelon. I also got one of these jars because you can never have enough jars, right? I can never have enough jars. Look, I felt like this was a big win too. I got these. Y'all, did y'all see last night's project? And look at these. I'll make something with the bandana. Who knows what? You know, really, you could tie the edges of these and do a pillow cover. I may do that. Risers for picture frames. Somebody must have seen those posts on my blog. That's what I've done with them. All right. And look, I got these popcorn bags, but do you know why I got them? I was looking, and look, from there up, I think I could cut these like a banner. There's 8 of them in here. But I think I could cut them kind of like that, use the top part, and make a banner. What do y'all think? Of course. Yeah, I think we're going to make a pillow cover with those bandanas. Of course, I could have some popcorn. But we're going to craft with that. All right? And y'all know, y'all have probably seen me use these candles at Christmas. Well, normally they've got some kind of big, like, decal on here. But guess what? They have them plain, nothing on them. And I've done several Christmas projects with these, but be on the lookout for something patriotic. Okay. I also got jars. I got jars and more jars. I got 2 different sizes. And look, these, they have like the ring. It's separate. So there's no telling what we're going to do with these. Now listen, as we're going through all this stuff, I want y'all to pick my next project. Like, of all this stuff that I'm showing you, what do y'all want me to craft with next? And then I got these. They never have these at my store. They're arrows. So today when I saw them, I'm like, I'm getting 3. I always get 3. And then this is the 2-pack. You know, these like cover like up on your stove. They're great to craft with. How many of you guys have crafted with these burner covers before? And I also got, I don't know where the lid is. I got like, do y'all remember I did the bunny? And the lid must be over there. And, y'all, they got these big, it's a door banner, but I was going to do something else with it. I'm not sure what. It's actually 59 inches long. 59 inches long. And it is, I think it's the same kind of fabric as our flag. And then I got this red shovel. Now, listen, it's going to rain today. So I may hop out there and spray paint this before it rains. Yeah, you can make tiered trays with those burner covers. Also, this is the first time I've seen this. They have this Anita's all-purpose paint. Usually it's like a brand I don't recognize. But I recognize this. They didn't have very many colors. They had like red, and this is an antique white, and they had green. Then they have these little red buckets. And if y'all say, what are you going to do with those? I don't know. I do not know. But I thought they were cute. Actually, you could put like your forks, spoons, and knives in here if you wanted to. Or you can make something with them. Now, I don't see any of y'all picking my next project. And then I got some table tennis balls. We call it ping pong. Stephanie, I have got so many tiered trays. I don't need a tiered tray. All right, so I'm gonna kind of hold these up again so you can tell me what you want me to craft with next. Y'all got to tell me. Stacy, did you? Okay. Tell me. Lynn, I see your comments now. All right. I'm going to check these. I'm going to check these comments later. Y'all, watch this. Tell me what you want me to craft with at my next craft. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And y'all let me know if you want to keep seeing my hauls. I know Barry don't want to see them, but y'all might want to. All right, guys, thanks for sprinkling. I see some of the responses coming in. I will check it later. Thank you.